What's going on, traders? Today is day number 30 of the $1,000 account challenge. We're up $38 on the day. One trade, one contract, $122 spent for $38 profit. That brings our total balance to $1,312.22. There are 10 days left in the $1,000 account challenge. I am stopping the challenge on day number 40, and we will be shifting to a $5,000 account challenge, a full port challenge to really turn this thing up. So if you're interested in participating in that, here's what you need to do. Join now. Using the link in the description of this video, join, because you're going to want to get practice in with these smaller amounts before we bump it up and start trading with a larger amount of capital. Here's the trade that I took today. It was on PLTR. Had a beautiful run yesterday above the $100 whole number resistance. And then so we were looking for the continuation going into today. But to get that continuation, we needed to see a break of the resistance from yesterday at 103. So that becomes our long trigger straight off the day trade watch list. Now, you know what we do? Don't chase the move up. Wait for the pullback. Here's the breakdown. The stock runs, hits 103, breaks 103, and you might think that we take the dip entry to 103 right here, but we can't do that, and here's why. The larger the initial run is, the larger the potential pullback can be. So when this does break 103 and pulls back, we can't trust that pullback to hold because it could give us a deeper pullback given the magnitude of the initial run. So we have to wait and see, is it going to hold 103? It does on this next candle. And then we have to see, is it going to break the high of day? It does on this next candle. So then from there, what we look for is a higher low pullback, which we get here. That's where we take the dip entry, stop loss placed at 103. So our risk off point looks like that. Potential reward into the high of day looks like that. We nailed a 30% gain on this trade, and we even might have sold too early because this stock continued to run up to highs of 105 plus, 105 and a half plus. So another dollar, about another dollar beyond our sell point. The reason why I sold there is just because it was pressing up into the high of day. This candle started to show a bit of weakness, and after 6 green candles in a row, I didn't want to hold through this pulling all the way back, so I just went ahead and locked in the profits when I had it. So now we are officially up 30% profit in the account challenge in 30 days. Way more than what the bank will pay you. I charge $25 a week to participate in this challenge, and making $38 a day means I'm making the subscription fee in a single day, in a single trade with one contract, $122 invested, and I'm making profit on top of that, and everything else beyond this, it's just extra money. But if you think that that's not enough, check this out. Sphinx up over $2,000 today on that trade. Dingo Gaia up $3,000 on this trade. Rob up over $2,000 on this trade. Orpheus up $600 in the past week. Another member up $700 on a single day. On the PLTR trade alone, up $480, nearly $500. If I walked to you and said, here's $500, would you take it? Of course you would. And that's exactly what these members are doing when I'm trading live, executing live, and they're following me into these trades. My Discord server pays for itself. What I'm getting at is I'm teaching you a skill set and my students a skill set that they will take with them for the rest of their lives. So if you think $25 a week is worth it to learn something like that, to be able to make thousands or hundreds of dollars per day, come join the Discord server. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. We are trading live tomorrow, so I will see you on the inside for day number 31 of the $1,000 account challenge. Thank you for your time. Cheers. We'll see you tomorrow.